This is my review of the CXWXC portable bike stand. So don't mind our our bike room here. It's a little bit crazy. But I thought I would do a review on it just to show some of the features and how we use it. So it's a talling tripod kind of alloy stand. What it has, it's very stable. So, you know, even if you have your bike mounted up on here, so it has a clip that you can kind of put into bracing it so you can get it into position and work on the tires or any other type of, you know, mechanics that you want to do. You can actually pivot it here. There's a button where you can pivot the angle of the top portion and then also change the height. So, you know, if you want the bike lower so you can access it a little bit different, maybe you're working and you're sitting down, you can change the height of the actual pole. And then here it just has kind of like a tool shelf for you to put any type of nuts and bolts in it. Or as you can see, tools, you can just stick it through whatever, you know, hole that suits best. It has different placements for things like that. And yeah, I thought I would do a review for anybody looking into this product. Thanks.